Hey everyone, I'm the Brad Lloyd and welcome back to my channel where we build smarter homes using Apple Home. Today we're checking out the Govee Table Lamp 2 Pro with JBL sound, and honestly, this may be the coolest lamp that I've ever used. In the box, you'll find a lamp, a power adapter, and a manual, and that's it. It's a pretty simple setup. Since it's battery operated, it ships powered off, so if nothing happens when you first plug it in, then don't panic. Just press and hold the power button for a few seconds to turn it on. Along the top, you've got several touch-sensitive buttons. The center button is raised and that's for power. On the left side, we've got mode to toggle color or scenes. The minus button is to decrease the volume, or you can press and hold it to dim the light. On the right side, you've got the plus button to increase the volume, or press and hold to brighten the light. Then finally, there's a pause play button, which you can also press and hold to enter Bluetooth pairing mode. Now let's talk audio. This isn't just a gimmick. The 2.5-inch 500cc JBL driver delivers clean sound across highs, mids, and lows. It's enhanced by JBL's custom EQ. Thanks to the built-in 10-watt JBL speaker, you get crystal clear audio that's surprisingly loud and full for a lamp. It easily fills a small room and it connects via Bluetooth in just a few seconds. Pair it with your device and play your favorite tracks, podcasts, or ambient white noise while working or relaxing.
It's at the letters for Tuesday, June 17th.
Now let me play some music for you so you can get a sense for how amazing this speaker sounds.
I wanna be a tree.
If you want to take this up a notch, then you can add a second table lamp and then pair them in the Govee app for stereo sound. Now let's try this again, but with a music effect.
I wanna be a tree. I wanna be the air that fills your lungs. There's something in your eyes, something that'll live and never die. I see it in your eyes. There's nothing left to say. I've used up all these words. There's nothing you've not heard, but I can't walk away. And I see that.
While audio over video doesn't always translate, trust me, it punches way above its size. After powering up, the first thing I recommend doing is connecting it to the Govee Life app. It'll guide you through the setup and likely prompt you for a firmware update to get the top performance from the start. This lamp also works with Google Home, Amazon Alexa, and Matter, meaning it fits into almost any smart home setup. Since I use Apple Home, I enabled Matter in the Govee app, I copied the pairing code, and I pasted it into the Apple Home app, and done. Now I can control the lamp's power, brightness, and color right in Apple Home, and include it in my existing Apple Home scenes and automations, like my goodbye scene that turns off all of my lights when I leave the house. One tip I want to share for those that are using this with a voice assistant, such as Apple Home, make sure to go to the Govee app and disable your battery saver. This will maximize the performance and reliability of your voice assistant when not connected to power. In the Govee Life app, you get full control. Adjust the brightness and color, dive into a huge library of preset scenes with categories like natural, sky, and universe. Many scenes include background audio, great for sleep or just relaxing. I've been using the Aurora scene while working and I find it's really calming and helps me to be productive. It delivers up to 600 lumens of bright, functional white light, making it perfect for working, reading, or just winding down. But when you're ready for color, this thing absolutely shines, offering rich, vibrant reds, greens, blues, and everything in between. What really sets it apart though is the lighting effects. Govee has packed this lamp with tons of preset scenes and they look incredible. The color transitions are buttery smooth, and it's clear Govee's put a lot of effort into making each one feel immersive. There's also a collection of built-in ambient sounds or white noise that you can use either on their own or paired with some lighting scenes. Many of the scenes with a music note have included white noise sounds, but you can easily disable the white noise, add white noise, or change the sound to something in Govee's white noise library. This lamp also comes with a 5200 mAh battery, giving you about 4.5 hours of use at 50% brightness and volume. Great for moving from room to room, or even bringing it outside for barbecue or maybe a camping night. There's a small LED light on the top that'll tell you the status of the battery, and you can also find this information in the Govee Life app. Of course, Govee also offers seasonal effects like Halloween and Christmas. Music mode is where it gets even more fun. You get 19 effects that sync to music, and you can choose between your phone's mic or the lamp's built-in microphone. Want to get creative? You can build your own scene, customizing colors, brightness, effect style, speed, and more. There's even an AI scene generator where you can describe a vibe and it builds the scene for you. All these features in one lamp, and I was expecting this to cost over $200, but it's only $179 right now, which is a great value for everything that it offers. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check it out, and if you do pick one up, then leave a comment and tell me your favorite feature. I'd love to know how you're using it. Big thanks to Govee for partnering with me again. It's been a busy year for them with lots of fun Matter releases. Make sure you're subscribed so you can see what's next. And that's it for this week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.